I'm going to launch my new channel on YouTube for health and fitness. I'm 40 years old. I'm from India, born and raised. I learned a lot about fitness in my whole life. I was a part of Bollywood. I did plenty of commercials and TV. Then in 2008, I decided to move closer to my family in the United States. So right now I'm living in LA. It's really nice and pretty over here. Traffic is the same. So yeah. So my guru is my dad. He's 80 years old. He still do headstand. He still do yoga practice every day. And he's the healthiest person I ever know. He still can run in the age of 80. He still can swim. There's nothing he can do. So I thought I start walking on his steps and I feel the same way too. I'm 40 years old, no wrinkles. I hit the gym, I do yoga practice a couple of hours every day. So I said, why shouldn't I share my secrets or whatever, my experience with you guys, so we can generate more people with good immune system, so we can beat this coronavirus, or maybe something else come up in few years. So we should be ready for that. In yoga, there's so much in yoga. It's not just stretching your body. It's way more than that. In hundreds and hundred years ago, we don't have PhD, we don't have MDs or all this technology stuff, but still we cure. Back home, we still do yoga, we still have medicines from nature. And even in our kitchen, Indian kitchen, we use a lot of aushadhis. Now they say masalas. Actually, masalas never been in our vocabulary. In 1660, I think, when Mughals or emperor came to India, they changed our vocabulary. They put so many Urdu words in Sanskrit, in Hindi, and they become part of Indian language. But we never had, before that, we never used the term masala. We always use aushadhi. Turmeric is an aushadhi, it's not a masala. It's keep you fit, keep you healthy, and black salt is another one of them. And methi, there's so many of it in our kitchen. So you don't build your immune system in a day. It's like everyday practice. You do repeat and repeat and repeat and repeat every day to build your immune system, build a healthy lifestyle. So I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about how you guys can stay fit, how you guys can look healthier, stronger, and younger for a longer period of time without any surgery or any kind of medicine. I mean, if that what you try to choose, go for surgeries, then yeah, you don't have to subscribe this channel. Don't waste your time, just do your surgeries. But if you really, really want to change it with the natural way, then I please advise you guys to subscribe this channel and